Hi Queens, Ms. PK's and Ms. PK's Crochet Braids located in McDonough. And this lovely queen has severe thinning on the crown of her head as well as her edges. Queens, you also want to make sure that the cornrow pattern is specific to what's going on with that client's situation. Every cornrow pattern does not work for every person. So you need to determine what style of cornrow pattern you're going to use for that client or person. Okay, Queen, so here is where we start the cornrow pattern for this client. We started at the left side of her head and we proceeded to go around, and we are doing the S-shaped cornrow pattern for this client, and we're taking it all the way around her scalp. So here is the back side of what it looks like once we finished doing the braid down. Then we take a crochet braid hook and weave the hair through the cornrows and tie that down with a brown string. We also put the netting on, and I like to use the netting that has the larger holes because it takes less time to fill in the installation. So as you can see, she is cornrow down and she has her netting. Then you can see a string on top. I left that string to give the illusion that she has some kind of part, and you'll go ahead and put your crochet braid hair on the netting where the netting is on the edges, and also on the string to give the illusion that there is a part. And so here is your complete look for the braid down and the netting, and then you go ahead and start doing your installation. So here's what the installation looks like for faux lock braids. Isn't she absolutely beautiful? So Queens, leave me a comment. Let me know if you want any more information on thinning hair. Be blessed.